National Testing Agency has released the provisional answer key of DOJAT 2020 along with the response sheet. Candidates can now verify their answers along with the answer key and estimate their score for DOJAT 2020. Careers 360 brings to you the steps to download the DOJAT 2020 answer key. Step 1. Visit the official website, that is ntaexam2020.cbtexam.in. Step 2. Screen will now display the login page. Now enter the following details, that is form number and date of birth. Important note, while entering the date of birth, enter in the format of year, month and then date. Now click on the tab Login. Step 3. Screen will now display the candidates with 3 options, that is download response sheet, download interim answer key and add challenge. Step 4. Download the response sheet and interim answer key and verify your responses. Step 5. Candidates must make sure to allot marks as per the following marking scheme. For every correct answer, 4 marks will be given. For every incorrect or if more than one answer is marked, 1 marks will be deducted. There will be no negative marking for unattempted questions. Step 6. In case candidates find any discrepancy in the answer key, they can challenge by clicking on the tab Add Challenge. Step 7. Enter the following details to challenge the answer key of DOJAT 2020, that is subject, question ID, answer option claimed by the candidate, nature of challenge, remarks, reference file. Step 8. Now click on the tab Add Challenge and pay the fee as per the amount that will be provided below.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and visit Careers 360 website for more details.